You could use the best and most expensive skincare products, but if your diet is based on junk, your skin won't improve. But don't worry, I'm not here to make you feel guilty about your diet. I'm here to tell you how you can fix it ASAP. For the last 3 months, I've tested dozens of diets, read 500 articles, and learned a ton of stuff. But to be honest, I don't want to pressure you with a whole new diet. That's why we'll be focusing on the 5 foods you need to avoid to get that glow on your skin you always wanted. If you're living on processed snacks, sugar, and dairy, your face is throwing a full-on tantrum with breakouts, redness, and dullness. These foods spike your insulin, cranking up oil production and clogging your pores like it's their day job. You're not just getting a pimple here and there. This is a diet-driven breakout happening every time you load up on the wrong foods. But wait, it gets worse. Without a solid diet full of antioxidants, your skin is aging faster than you think. That's because glycation, the breakdown of collagen from sugar, is causing your skin to sag and wrinkle before it's time. And the worst part happens when you can't even see it happening. Now, you do need fats for your skin, but they must be healthy fats. Otherwise, you'll see Sahara Desert dryness all over your face. Without healthy fats like omega-3s, your skin's left thirsty, flaky, and irritated. We all know the feeling when your skin just looks dull no matter how much moisturizer you use. Then there's the inflammation that comes with processed foods. If your skin's constantly irritated, conditions like rosacea, eczema, and psoriasis can flare up. And we have those dark spots. The good news is that simple swaps can turn your skin from stressed to stunning, and I'm about to show you how. Sugar's your skin's worst frenemy, sis. It all comes down to glycation again. This happens when sugar sticks to your skin's collagen and elastin, making them weaker. So what do you get in return? Wrinkles, sagging, and fine lines, and not in a fun way. And sugar's free radicals run wild, dulling your complexion and leaving you looking tired AF. I used to crave sugary lattes and candy bars, thinking they were harmless treats, but my skin was begging for mercy. But you don't have to ditch your favorite snacks forever though. Just swap those fizzy sodas for sparkling water with a lemon twist. It's crisp, refreshing, and keeps your skin happy without the guilt. Swap sugary cereals for porridge topped with nuts and berries, which feels like a cozy breakfast hug and loves your face back. If chocolate's your thing, go for dark chocolate, at least 70% cacao, instead of the milky stuff that clogs your pores. These switches let you indulge without betraying your glow. But sugar's just the start. There's another sneaky culprit hiding in your pantry that's dulling your shine. White bread, pasta, and sugary cereals are straight up glow killers. They're actually hurting your skin. You might not see it right away, but trust me, those foods are spiking your blood sugar and causing inflammation. High GI carbs are basically fast food for your blood sugar. When you eat them, your blood sugar skyrockets. That sends your body into overdrive, pumping out insulin to lower the sugar levels. I used to scarf down white bread sandwiches for lunch, thinking they were quick and harmless, but my skin was struggling. They're basically sugar in disguise, making your oil glands go wild and speeding up aging like it's on fast forward. I learned the hard way when my complexion started looking tired despite my skincare game. The fix is easier than you think. Swap white bread for whole grain sourdough. It's got that warm, bready comfort but keeps your skin radiant. Switch white pasta with chickpea or lentil pasta, which satisfies your carb cravings without the breakout drama. These swaps let you enjoy your meals while keeping your face smooth and youthful. But there's a kitchen staple you're using every day that's making your skin age faster than it should. Margarine's a total skin saboteur. And I was shocked when I figured this out. I used to slather it on toast or use it for cooking, thinking it was a chill butter swap. But those trans fats, those nasty fake fats that mess with your body, were wrecking my face. They make your skin super sensitive to UV rays, breaking down collagen and inviting wrinkles like nobody's business. And they fuel inflammation, speeding up aging and leaving your complexion dull. My skin was looking lackluster no matter how much I moisturized, and I had no idea margarine was the culprit until I dug into the research. Ditch it for avocado oil-based spreads. They're packed with monounsaturated fats and fight inflammation and keep your skin plump and glowy. These switches are like a love letter to your skin. But there's one more food you're eating that's undoing all of your hard work. White rice might be your go-to for everything from stir fries to sushi, but it's low-key giving you fine lines and a dull complexion. This high GI carb spikes your blood sugar, messing with your glow like it's personal. I get it. Rice is life for so many meals, and I used to pile it on my plate without a second thought. But my skin was screaming for a change, looking tired and uneven despite my best efforts. Swap white rice for wild rice, which is bursting with omega-3s, 18 times more than the white stuff. It's like giving exactly what's needed for your skin to stay hydrated. Quinoa is another swap you can try, with a nutty flavor that loves your face back. Your skin's gonna light up with that glass skin shine you've been dreaming of. But now, let's get to the secret that made my skin absolutely pop off. Your skin's game is not over yet. It's craving glow-up foods, and I'm obsessed with how they've transformed my face. I've been eating these for 3 months, and my complexion is living. Smooth, radiant, and serving looks. Oranges, lemons, and pineapples are loaded with vitamin C, pumping up your collagen so your skin stays tight, bouncy, and ready to slay. That firmness is everything, and it's why I'm obsessed with munching on these. But avocados take it to the next level, acting like nature's moisturizer to lock in that glow. Then there's red grapes, my sneaky little secret, packed with resveratrol that fights aging, keeping those fine lines away. Fatty fish like salmon or mackerel are straight up omega-3 gold, shutting down inflammation, stopping acne in its tracks, and giving your skin that radiant glow. Don't miss on walnuts, almonds, and chia seeds either. They're like tiny glow-up bites bursting with omega-3s, antioxidants, and vitamin E to make your complexion pop. Diet swaps will speed up your glow-up process. If you want a quick glow-up on a budget, check out this video right here.